Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to another video, and today I'm doing a low fade tutorial. So to start off with the video, I'm going in with my trimmers to make my initial guideline, and you'll see I'll drop the initial guideline down to have a nice low fade. So when using your trimmers, try to keep a light hand so you won't cause any discomfort. And then right after I'm making my initial guideline, you'll see I'll debulk with those same trimmers, and I'll go in with my shavers. And the way I go in with my shavers is I'm gonna go in a circular motion just so I could cover more ground instead of going up and down. And when I do go with my shavers, I'm not going towards the line. I'll go right beneath the line and I'll tap so I won't make a harsh guideline using my shavers. So going in with the fade, I'm going in with my clipper all the way closed, and I'm going little by little and gradually opening the lever. So when eventually I'm all the way open, I won't have to go back to take out that bottom line. It'll be much easier going in from the zero and halfway to all the way open, and then pretty much you're ready for your next step. So to make my life easier when I'm fading, I'm pushing up that half line or lever open line a little higher just to prep the line. When I go in with my lever closed using my one guard, I'll go in and then it'll leave a softer line just so it won't leave too much of a hard line or a heavy line. With that being said, you could go in with your 1/16 guard or half guard, or just your corners with the lever open, and then detail that soft line out, and it'll be really quick. You won't have to detail for too long. You'll save a lot of time if you do this step. You'll soften up that line with the one guard closed, and you'll pretty much take it out with the 1/16 guard or half guard. So at this point of the video, you can see I'm detailing the rest of the haircut with my 1/16 guard. And you'll see for my next step, I'm going in with my 1.5 guard open, and I'm going up a little higher. And I'm pretty much just prepping the hair at this point from the parietal ridge to the top of the haircut. And the highest guard I'll use next is my number 2 guard open. And then from there, you're pretty much done from blending in the sides to the top. So as you can see, there was a soft line that I made with my 1.5 guard, but I'm gonna go in with my 1 guard, as you can see, and I'm pretty much just detailing the rest. So right now I'm pretty much just detailing the cut. I'm just picking out any dark spots that I could see, and as you can see I'm going in sideways. That's because I'm trying to use the corner of my clipper just to take out any dark spots. So going in with the clipper over comb technique, I'm pretty much using this technique just to avoid using any more guards that I have to, and I'm pretty much just saving more time. So going into the lineup, as you see, I left that side or corner dark just because I want to keep the corners dark pretty much. But I'm gonna line them up first, and then I'll go back just to detail any dark spots or that dark patch you can see. But I'll go back either with my 1.5 or my 2 guard. So using my masters, I'm pretty much detailing this fade because I'm about done. And the way I'm detailing is, you could pretty see I'm using just my corners. And the way I use my clippers most of the time when I'm taking out any guideline, I'll go from closed to midway to open unless it's already above the 1. Then I'll start with the half. But as you can see here, I'm putting the haircut together, pretty much trying to fade in the parietal ridge to the rest, and I use my shear work over comb. So at this point of the cut, I'm pretty much done, and I'm just styling his hair. He wanted a crop cut or a messy look, which is pretty popular right now, and he didn't want to cut off the top too much, so I just put some product and cut the tips of his hair. Alright y'all, so this is the cut, and if you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead, give it a thumbs up for me, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, just because it motivates me to do more videos like this, and it helps out my channel. But if you guys have any comments, concerns, go ahead, comment below, and I'll try to respond to everyone. So thank you guys, and I'll see you guys next time.